Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Toledo, where we talk all things outdoor living. I'm your host from Tuff Deck Builders Toledo, and today we're going to talk about something every solid deck has in common: good planning and code-compliant construction. Most homeowners start with questions about size, shape, and material. Those things matter, but underneath all of that is a more important question. Will this deck be safe and strong for the long haul? That's where building codes, permits, and inspections come in. Let's break it down. A building code is basically a set of minimum safety standards. It covers things like how deep your footings need to be, how far apart your posts and beams can span, how high your railings must be, and how your deck should be attached to the house. These rules are there to make sure your deck can handle people, furniture, and weather without moving, sagging, or failing. When we plan a new deck in the Toledo area, we start with the ground. Footing depth matters because of frost. If the concrete that supports your posts is not below the frost line, the soil can push those footings up and down over time, which can cause movement and cracking. Getting that right from the start keeps your deck stable. Next, we look at the framing. That includes posts, beams, joists, and how everything is connected. If those pieces are undersized or spaced too far apart, the deck can feel bouncy. You might not see the framing once the boards are down, but you will feel the difference every time you walk across it. The connection to your house is another key point. On an attached deck, the ledger board must be fastened correctly to the structure, not just to siding. The right fasteners and flashing keep water out and keep the deck from pulling away over time. This is a spot we never cut corners on. Railings and stairs are big safety items too. Code sets minimum heights for railings and rules for how far apart the balusters can be so kids and pets stay safe. Stair rise and run, how tall and deep each step is, need to be consistent. When stairs are built correctly, you don't really think about them. When they're off, you notice it every time you walk up or down. Permits and inspections might feel like a hassle, but they're another layer of protection. When you work with a professional deck building company, we handle that paperwork and schedule inspections as needed. An inspector's job is to confirm that the structure meets local requirements, so you have one more set of eyes on your project. Here's a simple example. We were called to look at a deck that just didn't feel right. The surface looked okay, but once we checked underneath, we found undersized beams and posts sitting on shallow blocks instead of proper footings. Over time, the deck had started to tilt. The homeowner had no idea the structure was that weak. In the end, we rebuilt the frame correctly, and the difference was obvious as soon as they stepped back on. At Tuff Deck Builders Toledo, safety and structure are always the starting point. Before we talk about pergolas, sunrooms, or outdoor kitchens, we make sure the core deck is designed to carry the load and built to meet or exceed code. If you'd like help planning a safe, code-compliant deck for your home, you can reach us at 419-574-4799 or visit tuffdeckbuilderstoledo.com. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Toledo. Whether you're building your first deck or replacing an older one, remember, when the structure is right, everything on top of it works better and lasts longer.